Welcome everybody to Infinite Crypto, explore, research and invest in cryptocurrencies. This is Hedgeconnect, a lending ICO that a third round will start at the 25th of January exactly, and they are going to sell 500,000 coins in that round, $1.25 per a coin. The maximum coins that you can buy is 10,000, so you can actually invest around $12,500. That's what they are saying in their Telegram channel. So I decided to take another look at that, and of course before we are going to talk about it more and more, I will say that I'm not your financial advisor, of course, and everything is my opinion. Everything that I'm saying here is my opinion, and you should do your own research and do not invest more than what you afford to lose, what you can afford to lose. So, Hedgeconnect is the world's first lending platform and ICO hedge offering secured return leveraging innovation in diversified funds. Earn handsomely on your investments in hedge funds that are intelligently pooled for funds diversification for maximum gains to you. Now, I've done my own research on hedge funds, and hedge funds can get to 40-50% return a year. It is a possibility. But in lending platforms, you can actually get to 40-50% a month. So that is something that you should understand, that if they are actually a hedge fund, then it's impossible to act as a hedge fund and get those return on a monthly basis. What I can tell you that honestly, every lending platform, when they have a successful ICO and a successful staking program and lending program, they buy themselves 6 months at least. After that, they actually need to be very, very original. After 6 months, they need to pay back a lot of money, and if they didn't actually act with originality, then they are going to crash. I believe that's what actually happened with Regal Coin. That's what will happen with Extra Coin. The VOR is looking very good because a lot of lending platform has crashed, and they are in the beginning. It's only a month or 2 months old, and they are acting good, and a lot of people are going to divorce. So maybe after 6 months we are going to still see them moving and doing new things, but if there won't be special features in divorce, then it will drop like BitConnect. So Hedgeconnect is telling us that they are going to be a hedge fund, and this is their specialty. And by the way, they are partnership with Bitcoin Diamond, which interesting. I thought maybe they will explain a little bit more about it, but I'm not sure that they will. So we have seen that before on the overview and on the lending ICO review. Let's take a look at something else. Let's take a look at the white paper, which we haven't seen before. Let's do a zoom just like that. So it's a one-page white paper, which that means that this is not a white paper, or is it? Actually, it's a one-pager, so it's fine. So a hedge fund for lending platforms and ICOs, the coin's functionality is to provide stability and return on investment across the best projects in cryptocurrency. So what they are saying is that they are going to take your money and they are going to invest that in ICOs, which is smart. Because if it's true, they can actually provide you with the returns, because if they are going to pick up the right ICOs, they can get 500% a month even. It's a possibility. So it is a managing financial system with a team of experienced crypto traders bringing the highest possible returns for investors. So They need to understand something. When we are talking about compound interest rate, meaning if I'm going to take $1,000 and I'm going to reinvest that every day, they need to think about something really unique to make sure that they can, as a customer, they won't lose money on me, because after 1 year or even 18 months, I will start to get really, really huge returns. So let's see, how do Hedgeconnect investors make money? Let's see what they are saying. We will hold large positions across a network of accounts. This ensures we get the maximum bonuses available. You don't have to blindly pick and choose anymore. So that means that they are going to pick for you positions in cryptocurrencies. So we extend our loan periods with lending platforms in exchange for higher rates or lower token prices. So I'm not understanding that fully, but I think they are saying that they will have a capital lock boost just like the VOR. Okay, that will help them to invest your money in a longer period of time. We buy ICO tokens in new platforms, making attractive deals with the development teams. Just what I said. That's what a hedge fund is doing. They are investing in stocks, in small companies, and they are getting big revenues. We use our own predictive algorithms, sentiments analysis to make trades in cryptocurrency and other internal exchanges. So what they are saying actually is that they are going to other lending platforms and they are trying to get their prices to a very big to a higher price, and they're taking the loot after that. So that's what I'm seeing. Internal exchanges is only in lending platforms. We control the internal exchanges in lending platforms so that our coins rise in value before we make each loans. I can actually be a fortune teller. I think it's the first time I'm reading that. It's so obvious. Combine the power of small investors to move markets as a single entity. So that is a pump and dump, which is very effective on $100 million market cap coins and below that. So they can actually make a fortune out of it. If they will know how to execute all of those six features that they told us right now, then it's a possibility that they can survive more than, of course, 6 months if they're really going to do what they are saying that they will do, and they will not hold the BitConnect, their tokens like BitConnect did, because my belief that BitConnect didn't do anything with the tokens. It just wait for the Bitcoin to went up, and now the Bitcoin is not going up because it's in a very high price. So let's take a look at how to make money. So of course we've got a trading, holding coins in your Hedgeconnect wallet and trading them first on the internal exchange with other investors. Lending, I'm not going to go through that, but as you can see, the capital back is actually quite nice. 189 days all the way to 89 days. So we've got the affiliate, which is 7%, then 3, then 1.5, 1, and 0.5% on level 5. So let's take a look at another thing. Stop letting whales run the cryptocurrency world and let us become one together. So they're getting us all back to being a gigantic whale that can move the market. And it is a possibility, because if they are going to take, let's say, 5,000, 6,000 Bitcoins in 2 to 3 months from now, and they are going to try to move a coin that is market cap is 100 million and below that, they will get huge returns because they are going to pump it and then they're going to dump it. That's what's going to happen actually in the market very soon. You're going to see a lot of pump and dumps, every single day. You're going to see something going 300, 400% up, and then a day after 90% down. Value, okay, table of contacts. This is the roadmap. I think we've talked about it before. So it's an ERC20 token, so it's under the Ethereum network, so it's going to be fast. Staking, let's see, so we are in round number 3 and 4, $1.25 per coin. This is a slightly more expensive coin, as you can see, than other lending platforms. Let's see, what else do we got here? So this is the security, SSL certificate, Cloudflare, reCAPTCHA, of course, and the two-factor authentication. Social media. This is the FAQ. Maybe we're going to do another video about the FAQ. I'm not sure. So anyway, I'm not going to be naive and saying that they are going to do that. You cannot be certain. I do believe that they need to give us proofs that they are actually going to act as a hedge funds. By the way, hedge fund needs to be under a certain regulation, but of course they won't be under a certain regulation. So we have no proof that that's what they are going to do. Lending platforms, which I love and I use, they are a pyramid, meaning in some certain time they are going to fall, collapse, and I'm not going to call them a Ponzi scheme, because if it's a good lending platform, Hedgeconnect wasn't a good lending platform. It was nothing. There was no features. But if it's going to be a good lending platform, it can survive for a long period of time, and the fall can be very soft. So that's what I think about Hedgeconnect. If they are going to do what they are going to say they are going to do, then this is a great lending platform, which I'm not sure. By the way, I just despise and hate when they're giving target prices, because it's not correct actually to do that. You can actually see that I believe that Vor didn't do that, and they are already in 100 after 1 month. And all the others that have done that, they didn't actually get to the target prices. Anyway, this is my third review on Hedgeconnect. If you want to sign up to Hedgeconnect, I'm going to leave you the link in the description box below with the rest of my lending platforms that I use. And as always, stay awesome. Like, share, and subscribe to Infinite Crypto. By the way, we are very close to 1,000 subscribers. So hit that subscribe button. We are in 800 subscribers, 200 more, and we are a channel worthy of mention. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.